Do you feel like you are alone in this world full of people who are not willing to understand how special and beautiful you are inside? Are you always treated as a weirdo by the other people for the things you like to do, you enjoy to do, and maybe for the things you can see however nobody else could? Would you like to leave this place, this realm of despair? Your emotions are always real, and your feelings are so deep that no other person is able to follow, so you are damned into solitude. If the answers are yes, then you shouldn't miss the offer of the EMO Rubik's Cube. Our EMO Rubik's Cube is completely black, same as the night is. No colors will break your desperate existence. If you are in an appropriate mood, just take the EMO Rubik's Cube and turn and turn and turn. Your new best friend on a long journeys into the nowhere. Why is the EMO Rubik's Cube the best choice for EMO like you? Because you can try to finish it as long as you want, but it is hopeless. The EMO Rubik's Cube, now only for $59, a special price for special EMOs.